Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting new feature on Messenger Web that makes it easier than ever to view all the videos shared within your chats. If you're someone who frequently shares and receives videos on Messenger, this update is perfect for you. No more scrolling endlessly through your conversations. Let's get started with the simple steps to find all your shared videos. First, open your Messenger account on your PC. This is where you'll find all your chats organized nicely. Once you're signed in, it's time to locate the chat you want to explore. This could be a conversation with a friend or a group chat where video sharing happens often. After you've found the chat, it's time to look at the right-hand side menu of your screen. Here, you'll see various options, and you'll want to click on Media and Files. This section is key for accessing all the media shared within your chat. Finally, choose Media. This will display all the videos you've exchanged in that chat, making it super convenient to relive those moments. With just 4 simple steps, you can have access to all the shared videos in one place. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to viewing shared videos on Messenger Web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates.